Are you new to Upwork and don't know where to start? Don't worry, you're not alone. This platform can seem overwhelming at first, but with a little guidance, you'll be navigating it like a pro in no time. Today we'll break down the process of using Upwork into simple, manageable steps. To begin, you'll need to create an account. This process is straightforward, and Upwork provides easy-to-follow prompts. Choose a username, provide a valid email address, and set up a secure password. Remember, your username is your brand. Choose wisely. After setting up your account, it's time to create a compelling profile. This is your chance to shine and to sell your skills to potential clients. Include a professional headshot, write a catchy headline, and craft a detailed, well-written overview. Highlight your skills, experiences, and what makes you unique. Next, you'll need to set your hourly rate. This is a crucial step. Remember, your rate should reflect your skills, experience, and the value you bring to the table. Be realistic, but don't undervalue your work. Once your profile is complete, it's time to start bidding on jobs. Upwork allows you to send a certain number of proposals per month, so use them wisely. Read through job postings carefully, craft personalized proposals, and always highlight how you can add value to the client's project. The interview process on Upwork varies. Some clients may want to chat on the platform, others might request a video call, while some may simply hire based on your proposal and profile. Be prepared for any scenario. Once you land a job, communication with your client is key. Make sure you understand the project requirements and deliver your work on time. After completing a job, always ask for feedback. This will help you improve and build your reputation on the platform. To summarize, set up your account, create a compelling profile, set your hourly rate, bid on jobs wisely, be prepared for the interview process, communicate effectively with your client, ask for feedback after completing a job. Remember, Upwork is a competitive platform. It may take time to land your first job, but don't get discouraged. Keep improving your profile, keep bidding on jobs, and most importantly, keep learning and developing your skills. Before you know it, you'll be an Upwork pro, ready to take on any project that comes your way.